If you're seeing Steam error 86, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. This error can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that the most common fixes are simple, safe, and completely doable on your own. We'll go through verifying your game files, clearing the Steam download cache, restarting and updating Steam, running Steam as an administrator, and if needed, reinstalling the game to fully refresh it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then right-click it and choose Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for Installed Files and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game and compare your local files against the official version. If anything is missing, damaged, or incorrect, Steam will automatically replace it. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted files are a very common cause of launch errors. Once the verification is complete, try launching the game again to see if the issue is gone. If Steam error 86 is still showing up, the next thing to do is clear your download cache. To do that, click Steam in the top left corner, open Settings, then go to Downloads. In the Download section, look for the option that says Clear Cache. Click it, and Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward. This clears old temporary download data that can sometimes interfere with updates, installs, or game launches. After clearing the cache, restart Steam and give the game another try. Now let's make sure Steam itself is fully refreshed. Completely exit Steam, don't just minimize it. You can do this by clicking Steam in the top left and choosing Exit, or by closing it from the system tray if it's still running in the background. After that, reopen Steam so it can check for updates and reload everything cleanly. In some cases, a simple restart is enough to apply a pending update or clear a temporary glitch causing the error. If the problem continues, the next fix is to run Steam as an administrator. Find the Steam shortcut or the Steam executable on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to properly access game files, update services, and handle installation tasks without being blocked by Windows. If Steam error 86 still isn't resolved after that, then the final step is to reinstall the specific game. Uninstall the game from Steam, then install it again fresh. If you have the option to move the game to another drive before reinstalling, that can also help in some cases, especially if the original drive has file system issues or low space. A clean reinstall often fixes deeper problems that file verification alone can't repair. After reinstalling, launch the game one more time and see if everything works normally. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for Steam error 86 are: verify your game files, clear the download cache, fully restart Steam, run Steam as administrator, and reinstall the game if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue without much trouble. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe for more Steam and PC gaming fixes, and drop a comment if you want help with another error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.